The following video is a FRYER CL-12 compact precision CNC lathe. This unit is new 2017. Blair is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Start out by running the X-axis in manual mode. Then the Z. Turn out where you can see it. We will do a couple tool changes here if I can find it. And we'll do a collet, chuck, open, close, open, close. Then we'll do a couple MDI spindles. We'll start out at 200. There's 200. We'll go up to 500. There's 500. We'll step it up to 1,000. There's 1,000. We'll go up to 2,000.
The preceding video was a FRYER CL-12 compact CNC lathe. The unit is new 2017.